In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work in channels in Microsoft Teams. This will be a simple guide that will help you navigate and make the most out of your Microsoft Teams workspace. Let's dive in. First, we'll start by making our way to the Microsoft Teams website. It's as straightforward as typing Microsoft Teams into your browser search bar and hitting Enter. Once you're there, you'll spot the Sign In button prominently placed at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll need to log in using your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it first. But assuming you do, enter your credentials to gain access to your Teams environment. This step is essential because it unlocks all the collaborative tools and features that Teams offers. Once you're logged in and ready, your next stop will be the community. Head over to it, and you'll quickly see the option to add a new channel. This feature is vital for organizing your workspace effectively. A channel can be thought of as a dedicated space for specific conversations or projects. So, click on Add a Channel and give it a name that reflects its purpose. After creating your channel, click on it to access it. You'll now be inside your dedicated space where all discussions related to the topic or project can be housed. This is a powerful way to keep communication clear and focused, avoiding the clutter of an outdated email thread. Now you're ready to start posting within your channel. Look for the Post in Channel link at the top of your channel page. Clicking on this will open up the dialog box where you can draft your message. Begin by typing in the subject of your post. Keep it concise but informative enough to catch your team's attention. Once you've nailed the subject line, move on to writing out your message. This is where you provide the details or kick off the discussion you want to have. Be clear and precise with your messaging. Using bullet points can help structure your information in an easy-to-read format, but it's completely up to your personal style. Finally, once you're satisfied with your subject and message content, it's time to hit the Post button. This action sends your message out to the channel, making it available for your team members to view and engage with. And there you have it, a quick yet comprehensive guide on how to work effectively in channels within Microsoft Teams. These steps will empower you to collaborate more efficiently, staying organized and connected with your team. Remember, the more structured your approach to using channels, the smoother your team's communication will be. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you found it informative and easy to follow. Stay tuned for more useful tips on maximizing your productivity with digital tools.